Struggling to build a website without coding or clunky drag-and-drop tools? What if you could create stunning websites with just a prompt? In this video, I'll show you how to use Readdy AI to build and publish a complete site in minutes. No coding, no hassle. This is Pervez Durrani, and you are watching Guru Tech Solutions. First, log in to Readdy AI and hit Enter. You'll land on the homepage of the Readdy AI tool, where you can create stunning websites in minutes. With Readdy AI, there's no need for drag-and-drop design. You can build your dream website, publish it instantly, or even export it as code or to Figma. Scroll down and you'll see a gallery of websites created using the Readdy AI tool. You can explore them by clicking on the View button to get a better idea of what this platform can do. Let's get started by creating an account. You can sign up using your email address or simply continue with Google. Once logged in, you'll be taken to your project dashboard. Click on Create a New Project. Let's name this project AI for Beginners. Now you'll choose the code format. Readdy AI supports multiple formats, but for this tutorial, we'll select HTML as we want our website to be in HTML. You'll now see two sections, one for entering a prompt and another for selecting a template. But for now, let's focus on the prompt. Let's type the following prompt. Create a website that offers mini courses and tutorials for using AI tools for productivity, content creation, and freelancing success. Once the prompt is entered, you'll notice an auto-writing feature. Press the Tab key, and the AI will expand and refine your prompt into a more detailed version. You can also add a reference image and select a reference page to further guide the AI. Choose between mobile and desktop views. We'll focus on desktop for this tutorial, and then click Send again. Now, the AI will begin generating an outline based on your prompt. Review the outline to make sure it aligns with your vision. If needed, you can edit or add more details to the prompt. Once satisfied, click the Generate button. The AI will now start building your website live in real time. Watch as your custom website is generated within seconds based on just a two-line prompt. Once the generation is complete, scroll through the website to see how visually appealing and professional it looks. Click on the Code button to view the underlying HTML code that the AI generated for your site. Now, let's make a small enhancement by adding animations to the buttons. Type the following prompt. Add nice animation to all the buttons when I hover my mouse above them. After submitting this prompt, Readdy AI will automatically apply the hover animations. You can now scroll through the site and test the buttons. You'll see a smooth, subtle animation effect when hovering over each button, adding a touch of interactivity. We already have a hover animation on our buttons, but now we want to add a light-up effect as well. To do that, we'll enter the prompt. Make the button light up when I hover my cursor above them. Once the AI processes this request, hover over the buttons, and you'll see the new effect in action. It now combines a light-up visual with the original animation, making the UI even more interactive and eye-catching. Now, let's see how to edit text on the website. Say we want to change the title on the home page. We'll enter the following prompt. Change the first page title to AI Tools for Success. Readdy AI will now process the change. Once done, you'll see that the title on the home page has been updated exactly as we asked, adding a new page to your website. So far, we've been working with a single-page website, but let's say we want to add another page. At the top of the screen, you'll see different page types to choose from. For this example, let's click on the Course option. The AI will now generate a short outline for the new page based on the selection. If you want to make adjustments, you can modify the text and add your own details. If everything looks good, just click Generate. Now watch as the AI builds a complete second page for your website. automatically and in real time. Once the generation is finished, scroll through to review the new page. And yes, it was created with just one click. You can easily switch between your main homepage and the new course page at any time. To see the code for this new page, click on the Code button. If you want to see how your website looks live, click the Share option to open a real-time preview. To publish your site, click on the Publish button. Note: you'll need to upgrade to the premium version of Readdy AI to publish. After upgrading, you'll be able to connect your custom domain, set up DNS settings, and define your homepage. Once that's done, hit Publish, and your site will go live. It's that simple. It's fast, easy, and surprisingly powerful. I've added the link in the description so you can try it out. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more AI tutorials like this one.